Hello, Glamazons, it's me, and a company reached out to me to do an unboxing for a product, so I did. Hope you all are well. So let's get into it. A company named AGVANA emailed me and asked me if they could send me a product for me to open and test out, so I decided to roll with it, and so they sent me an initial disc round necklace, CZ pendant, and of course, my initial is a letter T. So here it is. This is gold over silver, and it is an adjustable necklace. I would say it goes from 16 to 18 inches. The T is made with CZs. And this is the packaging, very nice, sturdy packaging. And yeah, so it is a petite pendant, but it is gold over silver. And I've been wearing it for a while to see if the gold would chip or turn or fade or anything, and it didn't. I think the color of the gold is spot on. It's actually very pretty. It's very minimalist, and it is a small piece, but it's actually good for layering. And it's actually nice on a hot summer day. I think it's actually really, really pretty. So here you go. This is what I had on at work the other day, and I got lots of compliments on it. This is the second time I've worn it. I also slept in it and I showered in it, and it's still as beautiful as the day I got it in the mail. So I'm very, very pleased. So I will link the website below if you guys are interested or want to check it out. And guess what? They sell solid gold jewelry. A lot of you asked me for gold jewelry. This seller has 14 karat and 18 karat gold. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, Glamazons.